Online class rules. Sit down properly. Sit down properly. Watch and listen carefully. Watch and listen carefully. Prepare your worksheet and workbook. Prepare your worksheet and workbook. Online class rules. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing good. I am your teacher Mark, your teacher in Math 1 with teacher June. Our lesson for today is addition of numbers 0 to 20 using number band method. We will learn to add using number band method. To name the parts of a number band. Let's review the parts of a number band. We have 3 circles connected by 2 lines. We have here 8, 4, and 12. The first circle is called part. Part. The second circle is called part also. We have 2 parts connected by 2 lines. And the circle that is connected within the 2 lines is called whole. Whole. Let us spell whole. W-H-O-L-E. Whole. You can read this as 8 and 4 makes 12. We can use the number band in addition. We just add the 2 parts to make the whole. Let's add using number band method. We have here oranges. How many oranges do we have? Can you count? Okay, very good. We have 10 oranges. Then let's add 3 more oranges. 10 plus 3 is equal to blank. Let's add our ogen and aden. How many? We have first 10. Then let's add 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 oranges in all. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Let's use the number band in this number sentence. We have 2 parts connected by 2 lines to our whole. Let's put our ogen to the first part, 10. Or this is our ogen. Let's put our aden to the other part. There, we have our aden. Let's add them together. 10 and 3 makes how many? 13. This is our whole or our sum. 10 and 3 makes 13. Let's add using number band method. We have here a frog. How many frogs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 frogs. Then let's add another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add another 6 frogs. 12 plus 6 is equal to blank. How many frogs do you have? Let's add first 12. Let's count on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 frogs. Let's use number bond in finding the sum. We have here two parts and a hole connected by two lines. Let's put first our ogen to our first part. Then the second part, let's put our aden. Then let's add 12 and 6 makes how many? 18. That is our sum. 12 and 6 makes 18. Let's add using number bond method. Our given here is whole, or total numbers of crayons. We can find the two parts using number bond method. But first, let's write our number bond. We have whole and two parts connected by two lines. Let's write our whole. Our whole is 17. Then we have two parts. We have two colors. We have red and blue. But first, let us count our blue crayons. How many blue crayons do we have? We have 15. 15 crayons. 15 plus how many? How many red crayons do we have? We have 2 red crayons. 15 plus 2 is equal to how many? What's our whole again? What's our sum? 17. Is it right? Great. 14 plus 2 is equal to blank. 14 plus 2 is equal to how many? Count on. 14, 15, 16. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. We can use also number bond in finding our sum. Let's draw our two parts and a hole connected by two lines. We can write our ogen on the first part. Our ogen. Then we can also put our aden on the second part. 14 and 2 makes 16. We can also interchange their position, the two parts. It's okay. Just like this. 14 and 2 makes 16. There's no problem if you're going to change the position of the parts. But do not change the position of your hole. Okay? Good. Let's add using number bond method. 8 plus 6 is equal to blank. Let's use counting on method. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Let's use number bond in finding our sum. We have here two parts and a hole connected by two lines. Let's write our ogen on the first part. And the second part, let's write the aden. 6 and 8 makes how many? Makes 14. That is our sum. 6 and 8 makes 14. Great. Let's practice number bond method. 5 plus 7 is equal to blank. Let's use number bond. We have here 2 parts and a whole with 2 lines. Let's find first our odd. What's our odd? Is it 5 or 7? Great. Our odd is 5. Then let's write our add. What's our add? Good. 7. 5 and 7 makes how many? Let's count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our sum is 12. Great. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Great. 11 plus 4 is equal to blank. Let's find our sum using number bond method. We have 2 parts and a whole with 2 lines. Let's find first our add. What's our add? Is it 11 or 4? Great, 4. Then our odd is, what's our odd? Good, 11. 11 and 4 makes how many? How many? Good. Our sum is 15. Great. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. 10 plus 9 is equal to blank. Let's find our sum with the use of number bond method. Let's draw our 2 parts with a whole connected by 2 lines. Let's put first our odd. What's our odd? What's our odd? Is it 10 or 9? Great. 10 is our odd. Then what's our add? Good. 9 is our add. 10 and 9 makes how many? We can use counting on method. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Our sum is 19. 10 plus 9 is equal to how many? 19. Great. 13 plus 4 is equal to blank. Let's find our sum using number bond method. We have here 2 parts and a whole connected by 2 lines. Let's find our odd. What's our odd? Is it 13 or 4? Again, 13. Then our add-on is, what's our add-on? 4. Good. 13 and 4 makes how many? Let's count forward. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Our sum is, again, what's our sum? 17. 13 plus 4 is equal to what? 17. Good job. Easy, right? Good. 11 plus 7 is equal to blank. Let's draw our two parts and a hole with two lines. Let's write first our origin. What's our origin? Okay, 11. Then our addend. What's our addend? Is it 11 or 7? Great, 7. 7 and 11 makes how many? Let's count on. Let's start with our origin. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Our sum is 18. 11 plus 7 is equal to how many? Again, 18. Is it right? Good. We have lace. How many lace do we have? We can find the parts of this lace by using number bond method. Let's draw first our number bond with two lines. Then let's write our hole. How many lace do we have in all? We have 20. And our lace have two parts. We have yellow and black. Let's separate our lace to find the parts. Let's count first the black lace. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 black lace. Then, how many yellow lace do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? Again, how many? We have, how many yellow lace do we have? We have 9. So we're going to add 9. 11 plus 9 is equal to how many? What's our sum? 20. Great. Let's answer your worksheet. Write your name in English, your number, and primary level 1 / then your section. Do not write anything on your score. Okay? Do not write anything here. Letter A, find the sum by the given parts. In my example here, we have 10 plus 2 is equal to blank. 10 and 2 makes how many? 10 and 2 makes how many? We just add the two parts to find the whole. 10 and 2 makes 11, 12. 10 and 2 makes 12. So you're going to write here your answer. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Write also your answer here on this blank. Number 1, we have here 9 and 6 makes how many? 9 plus 6 is equal to how many? Let's count on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 and 6 makes how many? 15, or 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Okay, so you're going to write your answers on the blank there. Okay, we have blanks here. Okay, on letter B, find the sum by completing the number bond. In my example here, we have here 12 and 1 makes 13, or 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. We will just add the two parts, these parts, okay? Number 6. 9 and 3 makes how many? You're going to write your answer here. Or simply 9 plus 3 is equal to how many? Okay, write your answers there. Okay, here and there. Okay. How about this one, number 7? 8 plus 8 is equal to blank. Okay, just add. Okay, just add the two parts. So we have here first part 8, then what I'm going to write here? We have your ogen and your aden. What's your aden? Write your aden here, okay? Then your sum. Easy, right? Very easy, okay? Same as in number 8. We're going to write your here. How about here? We have here our aden is written or given there. Then you're going to write your ogen. What's your ogen? Okay, write it here, okay? And your sum, right here on the tummy of the penguin. Okay? Same as in number 9 and number 10. We don't have here any given. We don't have any part or whole. But we have here number sentence 11 plus 9 is equal to blank. You just add 11 plus 9, how many? Okay, you can count on, write your sum here. Then here you can write your ogen here and your aden. Okay, then write your sum here. Very easy, right? Okay, great. That's all for today, kids. I hope you've learned something in our lesson. Always stay safe. Always wear your mask. And put alcohol on your hands. See you again next time. Bye.